The National Electrical Code Section 450.15b addresses the requirements for disconnecting means for transformers. This section stipulates that a transformer must be provided with a disconnecting means on the supply side. This disconnecting means must be capable of disconnecting all ungrounded conductors. Furthermore, the disconnecting means must be located where it is readily accessible and within sight of the transformer. The phrase "within sight" is crucial here. It means that the disconnecting means should be installed in a location where it is clearly visible from the transformer. If the transformer is installed on a pole or other structure, the disconnecting means must be grouped with the transformer. This requirement ensures that personnel working on the transformer can quickly and easily disconnect the power supply for safety. Additionally, Section 450.15c addresses the location of the disconnecting means. It states that the disconnecting means must be located in accordance with Part Roman 3 of Article 404. Where accessible to qualified persons only, other than for maintenance and servicing, it must meet the requirements of Part Roman 4 of Article 404. The term qualified persons refers to individuals who have the skills and knowledge related to the construction and operation of electrical equipment and installations and have received safety training to recognize and avoid the hazards involved. The requirement for the disconnecting means to be readily accessible ensures that it can be easily reached in case of an emergency or for routine maintenance. This accessibility is important for ensuring the safety of personnel working on or near the transformer. The provision that the disconnecting means be within sight of the transformer ensures that the person operating the disconnect can visually confirm that the correct transformer is being energized. This helps prevent accidental shutdowns of the wrong equipment, which can disrupt operations and create hazards. In situations where the transformer is located in a basement, as mentioned, the disconnecting means must still be within sight of the transformer. This might involve installing the disconnecting means in the same room as the transformer or in an adjacent location where the transformer is clearly visible. The existing applications with disconnects adjacent to the transformers are compliant with the NEC requirements since they meet the definition of being within sight. If the disconnecting means is located on a different floor or in a separate building, it would not meet the within sight requirement. In such cases, an additional disconnecting means would need to be installed within sight of the transformer. The engineer's request for a code reference and the requirement for the disconnecting means to be within sight of the transformer is valid. It is important to provide the code reference NEC Section 450.15b to demonstrate compliance. This code reference clearly states the requirement for the disconnecting means to be located within sight of the transformer. The purpose of this requirement is to enhance safety and prevent accidents by ensuring that the person operating the disconnecting means can visually verify that they are disconnecting the correct transformer. Compliance with this requirement is essential for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of electrical systems. In summary, when installing a 480-volt transformer, the disconnecting means must be located within sight of the transformer, as specified in NEC Section 450.15b. This requirement ensures that personnel can safely de-energize the transformer when necessary.